All right, let's talk about this extension. Julia randomly picks one player from the basketball team and one player from the baseball team. Given data in the table, can you say that the basketball player will definitely be taller than the baseball player? Explain your reasoning. Well, no, we can't definitely say that. The median height of the basketball players is greater than the median height of the baseball players, 78 compared to 70. But that does not mean every basketball player is taller than every baseball player. Remember, these are the medians. So these are the middle numbers. Basketball, for instance, there is going to be players that are probably taller than 78 inches, and there's going to be players that are shorter than 78 inches. Same with baseball. There is players that are going to be taller than 70 and shorter than 70 because these two numbers represent the middle. Okay, we could definitely have a baseball player that is taller than all of the players on the basketball team, and vice versa.